A snake will have poison in its head and a scorpion in its tail, but a bad person will have poison in complete his personality right from head to the tail. Whenever a snake or a scorpion bites us, it injects the poison at a spot, slowly it spreads completely into the blood and it will kill us. And in this process, whenever the snake bites us, we can notice a spot and we can start feeling the pain so that we go to the doctor and get treatment. We can recognize whether what has bitten you and you can also have medicine for it. But when a bad person injects poison in you, when a bad person injects bad qualities, bad habits, bad ideas, bad words in you, you can't notice them unless they start impacting your life, unless they start showing the results in you. You cannot even treat them because they are deeply injected, imparted, and they are fixed into your mind. So my dear friends, be careful with your surroundings. Don't select any bad person as your friend. As an author says that you show me your friends, I will show you your future. Definitely, our future is depending on our friends because we are spending most of the time with them. Our habits, our body language, spoken language, our confidence, our concentration, our complete personality, our character cannot be changed in a single day. It cannot improve in month. It is a continuous process. It gets affected with various factors. In them, the friends are more important. When the bad friends inject the things in you, you can't even notice. It will be like a slow poison. In classroom they may affect, in corridor they may affect, in the ground they may affect, or on phone they may affect. They may affect you in any other way. So when a bad person is associated with you, when a bad friend is there with you, you can't identify whether how the attitude, how the language, and how the habits of you have changed. There won't be unit tests, there won't be quarterly, half yearly. Directly there will be an annual result. To say that you can see direct result, but you can't identify whether how they are affecting your life. So my dear friends, it is better not to have any friend than having a bad friend. So friends, be careful while selecting a friend. Be careful about the people who are around you and spending more time. When we choose a friend, we have to go with 3 qualities. They are fair, share, and care. You must see that one is fair enough to tell you if you're wrong. He must not be feeling hesitated that what you think or what you feel when they say something. It must be an open relation. It must be an open talk. See, when you are losing your track, when you are going deviated, then he must be able to show you, no friend, this is wrong and this is right. That openness should be there. Second quality is sharing. So whatever you share with him or he share with you, that must all be for your positive life. That must all be for your growth in life. All your talks, acts, or spending time must be for the growth of each other. There must not be anything shared between you people which hurts each other or which discourages each other. And third one is care. One should take care of the other. Whenever a friend falls down, the second one should lift him up. Whenever one feels weakened, the second one should become strength to him. In other way, a friend must be a backbone to us. A friend must be aligned with our goal and with our objectives. Whenever you're deviating or whenever you are forgetting your aims, he must be the person to remind you that you are going in a wrong way. Friends, I'm not just saying that you should choose a right friend. You should also become a good friend to others. As we give good to them, they will also give good to us. So let us first learn how to make friendship. Let us first learn not to hurt others. Let us first learn to live for others. They will also live for us. So friends, friend is a powerful word. There is no person in the world who doesn't have a friend. It is a fact, like we have mother, we have father, we have brother, we have sister. Same way, friend is one of the relation. But we don't have any choice in selecting mother, father, brother, sister. But we have a choice in selecting our friends. The better friend we select, the better our life will be, better our future will be. Hope you have understood the value of friendship. You have understood how to select a friend, and you have understood what are the impacts of choosing a wrong friend. Thank you. Thanks a lot for listening this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe the channel and share it to others.